Hello friends, welcome back to Technotron. Today we are going to learn how to install the Java. I mean the Open JDK, not Oracle JDK. To install Open JDK, first we have to download the zip file of the Open JDK. For that we have to go to the one site here. So once you go on this site, you can see here Open JDK project builds. So from here we can directly download the Open JDK. So just scroll down and you can see here the version of the JDK. Here currently open source JDK 1.1 and open source JDK 8 is available for Linux, Windows, but now I'm going to install the Open JDK for the Windows operating system, and that is JDK 8. So here there are two, if you see here there are two files under Windows, so JDK and the JRE. So what we have to download? If you have already ready-made application and you have to only run that application, then we should go for the JRE. And in case you want to develop your own application in Java code, then we have to go for the JDK. Now currently I'm going to develop one application, so I need to install this JDK. So I'm just going to click on that. Once you click, the automatically download will be start here. I'm pausing because I have already downloaded, and if you see the size of the Open JDK is near about 100 MB. So I'm not going to download this again. Once the download is complete, you can see the file something like this. I have downloaded both JDK and JRE. If you see here, here is the JDK and here is the JRE. So I have downloaded both. But once you download, you can see these are the zip file. So if you see the type of the file is WinRAR zip, right? So to unzip this file, we need one tool called WinRAR. If you don't have this tool, then I have provided one link in the description box to how to install the WinRAR. So you can go there and check in the description box of this video. So once downloaded, just once you have the WinRAR tool, just right click on the file, just right click on the JDK and click on extract here. Once you click, the zip file will get extracted. Now here, once the folder is get extracted, just right click on it and copy it. We have to paste this folder inside C drive. Just open a C drive here, just double click on it, and in under program files, create one new folder, Java. Just press simply enter and open this folder and paste the extracted folder over here. Now the download is stopped. Okay, no problem. Okay, so once you copy here, now we have to check the Java version is available or not in our operating system. So for that, just open command by typing cmd and just click on the first search, that is command, and here we have to type Java hyphen version and just press the enter. So you can see here clearly Java is not recognized, something error has occurred. So why this is? Because once we copy this folder, we have to mention the path of this in the environment, system environment. For that, just go to this folder bin and copy this path. Just right click, select all, and right click and copy. So we have to paste this in the system environment path. Once we copy the bin path, then go to the desktop, just minimize this. Once you come to desktop, just click on the right click on the computer and go to the properties. Just click on the properties. Here at the left corner you can see advanced system setting. Just click on that, and there one system properties pop-up will be open. Here under advanced, just click on the environment variables. In environment variable, just scroll down under system variables, just go down, you can find the path over here. Just click on the path and click on this edit button. Once you click, there are already mentioned some path. This just we have to add our Java path at the end. For that, just give one semicolon and paste the, and here we can paste our copied bin path, right? Just click on OK. Remember, at the end we don't need to give the semicolon, so just click on OK, OK and OK. Just close this and go back to the start command. Open the command terminal and again type java hyphen version and just press the enter. As soon as you press the enter, you can see here OpenJDK version 1.8 which we have downloaded, and we have set the path. So that's it, the Java is installed in our system. Now you can happily use the Java in your system. If you feel that you have learned something new today, and if you don't subscribe my channel, that's okay, that's absolutely okay, but I request all of you, please plant at least one tree every year. It's okay, you don't like my video, don't share or don't subscribe, that's fine with me, but please plant at least one tree every year. Thanks for watching.